Okay, so it actually doesn't matter at all that this is negative. Let's go with black. 3754 divided into 4357. Well, that obviously has to be 1 with 3754 left over. So let's see. 4357 minus 3754. That leaves us with 603. Does 603 go into 3754? Let's see. How many times would that be? 6 times. 3618. Leaves us with 136. Okay. 4 times. 544. With 59. So 2 times, right? 59 into 136 2 times. 118. Leaving me with 18. And then 18 into 59. 3 times. 54. Oh my, it's going to be a long one again. 5. 5 into 18. 3 times 15. 2. 2 into 5. 2 times 4. 1. 1 into 2. 2 times 2. 0. So the GCD is 1. Oh. GCD is 1. All right. So we can say 1 equals 5 minus 2 times 2. Oh, actually, the minus here might mess things up a bit. The minus might mess things up here a little bit. So if I was to put the minus in here, the minus won't mess up the GCD, but it might mess up the substitutions. I want to discover that out later. If I put the minus in here, then that would have to be a minus to make that a minus. And then that would be a minus. And then that would be a minus. So that would have to be a minus. So when I multiplies that by that, it makes a plus. But then this would have to be a minus. So that 544 would have to be a minus, which means that would have to be a minus. So that could be a minus, so that could be a minus, so that could be a minus. If that was a minus, it would multiply to make that the plus. So that's 18. But then that would have to be a minus. So that would be a minus. So when that multiplies that, it makes a minus there. So that would be the plus. So that would be the plus. Minus 59. Minus 3. Why is this positive now? That doesn't seem right. Shouldn't there be a negative in it somewhere? Oh yeah, because that's a -5, that's a -5. So that'd be a minus, make that a plus, leave with the positive. So then that would be a minus. So that would be a minus. So that would be a minus. So that would be a minus. But the greatest common divisor is 1, because 1 is greater than -1. 1 divides into both. So, I don't know. I don't know what to do about this minus fact. If I put the minus here, the GCD is still 1, but if I put the minus here, maybe I'd have to flip the sign over. So I got 1 equals -5 plus 2 times 2. And then, so that one is taken care of. So now I need to replace the 2. Now I could replace both 2's. But but it's really this 2 that I'm replacing. But should I sub in with the minuses as well? I just keep it with the positives. Maybe I should sub in with the minuses. Okay. So -1 is -5 minus 2 times -2. Or in other words, 1 is -5 minus 2 times -2. And it's, forgot to flip the signs, 5 plus, well, no, that would be minus a plus, that would be a -2 times 2. And it's this 2 that I'm replacing technically. So maybe I'll just replace that one. 1 equals 5 minus, and then that 2 will be 18 minus 5 times -3. So that's 18 minus, so -5 times 3. Okay, so let me clean that up a bit. That's 1 equals 5 minus 2 times 18 minus 6 times 5. Okay. So that's 1 equals -2 times 18. And then a 5 here. So that's minus 5 times 5. So I need to replace that 5, or maybe it would make more sense to replace the -5. So that's 1 equals -2 times 18 plus that thing times the 5. the minus 5 is replaced by minus 59 minus minus, so that would be plus 3 times 18. And it's the 18 I need to replace now. So that's 1 minus 2 times 18 minus 5 times 59 plus 15 times 18. So that's 1 equals 13 times 18 minus 5 times 59. So replacing the 18 now. 18 is 136 minus 59 times 2 minus 5 times 59. That's the 136 I need to replace next. So 13 times 136 minus 59, so I'm grouping together now. So that's minus 26 times 59 minus 5 times 59. This 1 equals 13 times 136 minus, what's that, 31 times 59. Now, actually, before I continue, I'm going to check that still checks out. 13 times 136 minus 31 times 59. No! It's minus 61. Okay, let's see how far back I have to go. 13 times 18 minus 5 times 59. No, that's also minus 61. Minus 2 times 18 minus 5 times 5. That's minus 61 as well. What on earth? Sign mistake clearly somewhere. All right. That's right. 1 is 5. Okay. Here it is, where the sign went wrong. That says minus 1. So why did that happen? Because I replaced this 2 here, which is 18 minus 15. Oh, 5 times... Ah, that's a tree. Oh my. That's a tree. That's a tree. That's a tree. Ah, no. No. Oh dear. So that's 3 into 5 is once. Dealing with 2. 2 into 3 is once. Dealing with 2. 1. Yeah, that's what it should have been. I have to put the signs back in now. So that's a minus 5. So that will have to be a minus 1 to make a minus 3 to make that a minus 2. So that's a minus 2. So that has to be a minus 1 to make that a positive 2. Yeah, okay, that looks better now, I guess. Okay, let's begin again. Okay, so 1 equals 3 minus 2 times 1. I'm going to say 1 times 2. 1 times 2. The minuses cancel out. That is correct, obviously. Okay, so that's still right. 1 equals 3 minus 1, and then replace the 2 here. If I flip that around, make it a minus 2, then that will be minus 5 plus 3. So that's minus 2. So that still checks out. Yeah, so that one I've done. And then I've replaced the 2 here. Okay, so let's clean that up a little. So that's 1 equals 3 minus 5 plus 3. So that's 1 equal 2 times 3 minus 5. And now I've got to replace the 3. So that's 1 equals 2 times 3. And we'll say 3 is 18 minus 3 times 5. Minus 5. So that's 1 equals 2 times 18 minus 6 times 5 minus 5, so that's minus 7 times 5. Now, let me check if that's still right. That's 36 minus 35, so that's still right. Yep, okay. Now I've got to replace the minus 5, so that's 1 equals 2 times 18 plus 7 times minus 5, which is minus 59 plus 3 times 18. So that's 1 equals 2 times 18 minus 7 times 59 plus 21 times 18. So that's 1 equals 23 times 18 minus 7 times 59. Let's see if that's still right. Yes, that's still 1. Okay, now what have I got to replace now? The 59. So that's 1 equals 23 times 18 minus 7 or plus 7 times the minus 59, which is minus 603 plus 4 times 136. So that's 1 equals 23 times 18 minus 7 times 603 plus 28 times 136. So it's 1 equals 28 times 130. No, something's gone a bit wrong there. Has it? I've replaced the 59 with 603 minus 4 times 136. Yeah, something with the 2 times 18 doesn't seem right. Oh, that's annoying. I think I skipped the step actually. I think I skipped. That's why this isn't quite working out as I thought. I think I got myself a bit confused here. about which step I was in. So 59 plus, yeah, so I was at the replacing 18 step, not the replacing 59 step. So I was at the replacing 18 step. So that's 1 equals 23 times 18, which is 136 minus 2 times 59. That was it, minus 7 times 59. So that's 1 equals 23 times 136 minus 46 times 59 minus 7 times 59. So that's 1 equals 23 times 136 minus 53 times 59. Now let me just check that I'm still good. Yep, I'm still good to here. Okay. So now I've done that. So now I'm replacing the 59. Okay, 1 equals 23 times 136 minus 53 times 59. So that would be minus 603 plus 4 times 136. So that's 1 equals 23 times 136 minus 53 times 4. So that's minus 189 times 136 minus 53 times 603. So now I'm replacing 136 minus 189 times 136. Which is 3754 minus 6 times 603 minus 53 times 603. So let me see now. Okay, how many 603s do I have? Minus 189 times minus 6 minus 53. So that is 1081 times 603 minus 189 times 3754 equals 1. Now let me check if that is right still. No, it's not. Let me check if the previous line is right. Minus 189 times 136 minus 53 times 603. No, that's not right. So I've done something recently wrong. I think I'm okay here. Let me just check that one. 23 times 136 plus 53 times minus 603 plus 4 times 136. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so that's right. All right. 1 equals 23 times 136 minus 53 times 603 plus, and then 53 times 4, 212 times 136. So 212 plus 23. So that's 235 times 136 minus 53 times 603. That should equal 1. Let me check that. Yeah, that's right. Okay, so now the last step is to replace minus 603. So that's 235 times 136 plus 53 times minus 603, which is minus 4357 plus 3754. That should equal 1. Oh, wait, no. No, I never replaced the 136. That's the step that I'm on. Replacing this 136. Okay, 235 and then 136 is 3754 minus 6 times 603 minus 53 times 603 equals 1. So that's 235 times 3754. Minus 1571 times 603 equals 1. Let's see if that's right. No, not again. 136 is 3754 minus 6. Let me see. 235. 3754 minus 6 times 603 minus 53 times 603. Yeah, that's 1. 235 times minus 6 minus 53. Oh, no, that's wrong. It's minus 1463 here. Okay, now replace the minus 603. So that's 235 times 3754 plus 1463 times 603, which is minus 603, which is minus 4357 plus 3754. That's equal to 1. Okay, so let me see now. So that is 1463 times minus 4357 and then 235 plus 1463 plus 1698 times 3754 equals 1. Let's see if that's right. 1463 times minus 4357 plus 1698 times 3754. Yes. So that's the OR, 1463. And then that's the B. And that's the GCD. And we did it.